I'm so sorry if I'm holding that.
I feel like a doll.
2 minutes left.
Okay, it's okay. 2 minutes is a lot of time.
Faster!
Okay.
I'm scared. Hi guys, welcome back to this episode of Vlogmas. This video is going to be slightly more interesting because my interns are going to be doing my makeup and I have 4 of them, so we've split them up into 2 teams by drawing lots, so everything is fair and square, okay?
What if I get myself? Oh, we got the win!
Time for the sequence.
One second. I mean, what? That's not a strategy at all.
They're gonna be working on one side of my face each, and at the end of this video I'll be judging them based on their skills, their technique, how nice I look at the end of the day. Overheard someone saying that she wants to make me look like what, the Grinch, the green color one. If that's gonna happen to me, she's gonna fail. Help me by writing in the comments box down below which team you think won this challenge. So let's get started. And here we have our first team, which consists of
Hi!
because she's so high. Cheryl and Natasha. Okay, so actually I think like both of them are quite well versed with makeup, right? Alright, let's go.
Okay, so what makeup look do you want?
You're supposed to tell me what makeup.
I know, but like, do you have a
No, I don't have. No, it's
preference?
okay. I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, so y'all go. So they will be given 15 minutes each team to create half of my face.
I guess we should start with the base. Should we wet it? Can the camera woman grab my
We have a question, we have a question, we have a question.
But I want to use the foundation.
Hey,
Okay, go.
15 minutes now.
Okay, so in the meantime, since she's doing the base, I'm gonna be looking at the eyeshadow colors.
the
I
idea?
think, can I show them? I think I want to go with this, this, and like this.
Why? Good for my eyes. Sorry.
Cheryl, can you point at the ones you want?
Okay, so I'm gonna choose. You cheated back. Okay, the brows is something that I cannot do, so I'm just gonna step out because I think I will ruin it. Yeah, that's okay. So now we are moving on to the eyeshadow.
You're not even doing anything, are you?
No, I'm waiting for her.
Yeah.
No, don't do the eyeshadow.
She's really like standing there.
I stand up.
This one is a contour.
I don't know what is what.
She's gonna ruin my brushes. Don't ruin my eyelash extensions.
Oh, never. Is it pain? No. This is actually my first time like doing eyeshadow on someone.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Hey, actually you do it Huh? I do the blush That one more foolproof You do the eyes I'm not competitive. I'm not competitive, guys.
I feel like a doll. Like, you know, a play doll for them to like just apply makeup on you.
Wow. You're starting to look good already. I mean, you really look good, but like... Oh my god, it's so pigmented.
Yeah, oh my god. Help. Is it shimmery?
I feel like I got a powder in my eyeball.
I'm so sorry.
Can you suck in for me? Why?
We still have to do eyeliner, I'm scared. We do last 3 minutes. Okay.
Stop planning it. That's supposed to be planning your next move.
Don't stare at me, I'm very stressed.
I'm so sorry if I'm holding the eye.
Do not say that. Just don't poke me in the eye.
Can now. Nice.
Okay. Thank God.
My turn. Now I'm gonna do her highlight. This is her favorite highlighter palette. Put your mouth. Oh my god, you moved. Calm down. Help me clean her.
This is a dry beauty blender. I'm sorry, because this is like a dry beauty blender. We have 2 minutes left.
Okay, it's okay. 2 minutes is a lot of time.
Sorry, 2%.
Don't know how to open. Ah, she actually looks good
Right? She looks very pleased.
I am actually.
43 seconds.
Okay, I think we're done.
It's a bit weird that she's so close.
Too close.
Please.
Good.
Okay. Actually, I think I'm not gonna look at my face at all until the second team comes on and finishes it. Okay? So let's summon team number 2.
Boom.
So this is team number 2 and we have Samantha.
I was like, what?
I didn't know that was your name. Samantha and Amanda.
Complete noobs.
Alright, their 15 minutes starts now.
Okay, I don't know what this is, bro. Do you need anything?
No, I just need this cushion first.
You want me to wet this now?
No need.
Okay. Our look is very strategic. We're going for something that is going to blow Mong's mind. She's never seen it before.
Oh my goodness.
You know what? I'm just gonna wet it, okay? Haha! Life hack.
Okay, bye. Is this your first time doing makeup or what?
Not really.
Ooh, someone's got experience.
No, but I don't know how to. Oh shit.
Don't do it on the
sorry.
extensions. How do you wet it?
With my water bottle! You can see from the amount of makeup on our faces how good we are.
Powder, where's the powder?
Okay, I can help.
I think you can use this. Right?
No, I thought you wanted red.
Why?
Green? Later she looks like she got punched in the eye.
Oh, she already looks like that.
Please. Sam is so gentle.
I'm so sorry.
Then I blend the eyeshadow colors.
Aha! Can you like...
Suck in.
Let it. I already got it right.
What's so funny about it? FYI, Amanda and Sam are really good at drawing.
But we're freaking shit at makeup.
No, this one have to blend in her cheeks, but this one is blend towards her skin.
Oh, okay.
I remember her contour 101 or something.
Oh shit. Why does she have like this? Wait. Why is it doing this? Oh my god, Sam. Do you see? There's like a hole.
10 years foundation.
Okay, right, it doesn't matter how shit it is, because in the end, right, our thing is going to blow her away. We are going with the element of surprise. Okay.
No, you blend here.
Oh,
You
shit,
haven't
shit,
blend here. Yeah, she sincerely looks like there's a gap there.
No, it doesn't anymore lah. She looks like James Charles. Okay, you know what? That was good. Sort of. Okay, no, right.
No, this one. Use this. No, you make her entire nose
No, it's
brown.
okay. It looks fine. Okay, go Sam.
Wait.
Sam's just coming up my mistakes. Oh my god, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury.
Film start.
Haha. I'm so familiar with this. Because you use it every single
all
video.
the time.
Okay, do her eyeshadow.
I don't know what color to use.
Where else am I supposed to highlight? Like here.
This is a blending brush, right?
What about a brush is a brush?
Okay.
I'm just painting.
You know that time when Mong said makeup is like painting? Yeah, it's the same. Okay, it's the same. Just treat it as you're drawing, but on her face lah.
I'm a procreate.
Trust you.
Rolling her eyes behind her eyes.
I'm not.
She's rolling her eyes in amazement. Is there anything else we need to do? Oh my god, we need to do her brows. Oh my god, this white color, bro.
That's the Aegyo sign.
Oh right. She's gonna do that on my brows. Can I give me some white brows? Oh, grooming gel in warm brown. Oh yeah, this for brows, bro.
No way, you need to draw first before you go on with that. Pencil. Is it this?
Oh no.
This is...
It's okay, Sam. If it was me, it's 5 times worse, so... we put our faith in you and I trust you no matter what. Oh my god, you need to do her eyeliner, bro.
Okay.
You know what? I'm just gonna use this color. I don't know what to do, they're laughing at me! Okay, I'm gonna use this.
Wait, I don't
What do you do?
ever think this is this one. This is not.
Here's a eyeshadow brush.
The thinner the brush, the easier it is to use, what?
To paint?
Yeah, to paint. Oh, Sam is just carrying me so hard.
No.
Okay,
Bro,
sorry.
I think you draw first. I cannot mount it.
Okay.
I cannot.
what?
We have 3 minutes! Can you get an extra minute because Sam is
No.
injured?
No.
Please.
graph. The sign graph.
Continue.
Should I just do it with eyeliner?
Just, okay.
I'm too old for this shit.
I need 1 minute to shut up.
Wipe it off.
just go over. I'll do your lips in the meantime. The foundation is horrible, just saying.
It's okay. Should we blow away by this part?
Okay. I trust you, Amanda. Stop. I'm sorry.
Stop moving!
You stop pushing her head.
Oh, sorry.
Amanda has a lot of faith.
I went into this with goals that I'm going to achieve.
Okay. I really need time to draw eyeliner, girl. Faster!
Okay. I'm gonna count already. Oh my god!
Faster.
Oh my god!
Oi!
I think I'm gonna faint on the floor once I see myself.
I think we were too
Alright.
I think we were too ambitious.
They're cheating.
Time's up.
I think she was sweet.
Okay.
We never covered it.
I'm scared.
I think she's gonna be impressed
I am?
by our ambition.
Okay.
Can I just say, I'm actually crying because laughing so much.
I think we were just very inspired by Christmas. And unlike the other team, we decided to make her look beautiful.
We did it properly.
I mean, she's very beautiful, but this is just the amplified version. Please tell me it's nice and please vote for me.
So our look, right, is inspired by some Christmas lights. Okay, actually, right, can I just say that it's like, you know, trees and plants are like really in fashion during Christmas. Like, we were inspired by that for your look. We added in a very cool element that we think is very inspired.
Did it turn out the way you envisioned it?
Totally.
Totally not.
Both of us, because we don't know how to do it.
Yes, and a bit bai chu here. So like,
Now she bring
give
out the
some
card.
empathy, please.
Okay. Team B, what the hell? Are those supposed to be fairy lights? This eyeliner deserves an award. I don't know how many wings I have. Lipstick wise, both are very smudgy around. So I think the winner is pretty obvious, and that is Team A. Okay lah. I know Team B, they're staring at me like right behind the camera. I gotta say, creativity is not bad, but yeah, please go watch more Makeup 101. If you like this video,
Don't forget to like, share,
and subscribe, and watch our other videos over there.
Happy Vlogmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! I just took a sneak peek of their inspiration photo, and I don't think I look anything like that.